Hello everyone, and welcome to my first devlog on this channel. So, this is my first devlog, as I just said, and also, sorry if I sound like I'm literally dying. I just have like a small cold. It should go away tomorrow. But anyways, as you can see, I'm coding a bit of, I can't really see this, it's really blurry. I'm coding the lanes for my rhythm game. Yeah, it's a rhythm game. So, yeah, I have to use color pickers. I just need to like memorize all the hexadecimal color codes. Yeah, that would be too hard. So I thought while you're watching this time lapse, I should explain what this game is like about. So, if you've ever heard of Osu Mania, actually Friday Night Funkin', you wouldn't know what this game is. It's gonna be really similar. Not the same. I'm not copying, okay? I'm not trying to copy. And I kind of have it planned to be sort of 8-bit. Not fully 8-bit, but like mostly pixelated. I don't really know. The plans for this game are pretty weird. And if you're wondering how many people are working on this game, currently it's just me, but I do have some friends, like just one. I'm sad. Just one friend that helps like every once in a while with like making graphics and stuff. So the task for today, basically what I've planned to get done today was to make basically the core mechanics of gameplay. So like notes falling and like destroying notes and stuff like that. So yeah, so I can't see what we're doing again. Okay. Well, I planned that we're gonna have like only 10 notes available in this map, and each note, its position can be changed. Bit of graphic design here. I believe I'm making, well, the note is supposed to be, I'm sorry I'm using Paint 3D. It is awful. And as you can see, there's some leftovers from anti-aliasing. I hate it. I hate anti-aliasing, and at first I didn't get the resolution right. I originally did it at 160 by 160, but it's actually supposed to be 200 by 200, but later I changed it to 80 by 80. I think it was too big, but it was actually way too small, even on the first one. Okay, so I believe I'm testing like the transparency and stuff, and this is where I encountered a giant error, which was the one that made me think that these notes were way too big. Yeah, turns out that some lanes were like colliding with each other, which was an issue, like a very severe issue, and it was definitely not supposed to happen. And as you can see from that one test, they were severely out of position. So I had to do a bit of math to get it in the right position. And I believe I'm making the key texture. I need to get paint.net. Wait, did I say paint.net earlier? I'm sorry for using Paint 3D if I said paint.net. Well, I really have no idea what I'm doing now. So at this point, we need to make the key pressed graphics. So, yeah, I'm currently making the code that like checks if the keys are pressed, and I decided to create a separate class to do that. And I thought it would make it easier, but it actually didn't work. I got an error. Null object reference. I tried making everything a boolean, but that didn't work either. Github Copilot was really helpful in this process. And fixing it did work. And I also added code to detect if it's not being pressed. And I moved some code to the create function. Because we don't want to have 2 million of them. By them, I mean 2 million notes. Yeah. That would be bad. Very, very bad. And I'm just making the map database right now. Why is my phone turning on randomly? Yeah, so basically it's just a place to store all the data about maps. Although I do plan to get it from the internet at some point, since we do have a website. You can't really go see it right now. It's really in development and practically unusable. So now I decide to make a difficulty indicator. And basically what this will do is it'll indicate the difficulty. It says difficulty easy right before the map starts. You start playing it. So I had to add a few variables and checks and stuff. It was a really annoying process because there were some unwanted errors. And it didn't work. And yeah, there's just a lot of stuff that I had to do that it could be maybe fixed in a shorter way. I don't know. I'm very new to this language specifically. I barely have one year of experience with hacks. Yeah, I'm using the hacks programming language with the Hacksflixel framework. It seems to be working out all fine. It is a great framework though. So finally, I just want to say that I am now accepting donations for this project and just supporting the channel. Currently, you can only donate crypto. I prefer Ethereum, but you could also use Bitcoin. I don't really care. Cash payments might be coming soon. It really depends on the situation. And anyways, that is it for the devlog.